Special greetings, my dear students. Today, we are going to learn while loop and infinity loop. Only two loops are remaining, and in your book, they given so much of programs. So kindly in your home, do the practical. If you didn't do the practical, you cannot able to understand anything in this place. Now, let's see. Now, while loop is here. Okay. So, just kindly read this paragraph. The while loop is the simplest of all looping structure. Okay. In general, this loop can be applied to the program where the irrational not knowing beforehand. Okay. Means it is a simple loop only like for loop. No need to go more. Initialization, initial value, starting value. Here you can able to see the syntax. Okay, initialization means example a equal to 1, b equal to 2, what the initial value we are giving, and condition here. Okay, condition is our wish, what the condition we are going to give. Okay, looping body, whatever coding we are going to write, while statement, condition, updation, go and run again. Okay, that only. Now see here I'm going to explain only two programs. Now I equal to 0. Now what is the I value? 0 while, and this is what? Initial. This is initial. This is initial value, and this is a condition. Print I. Now I equal to 0. 0 is lesser than 10. Okay, so print I. So no need. Now see here, 0 I value is what? 0. 0 plus 1, what is the value? 1. Now that 1 is going here. 1 is now I value is a 1. 1 is lesser than or equal to 10. Statement is true. Print I. I value is a 1. Now I value is 1. Again it is going. I equal to I plus 1. 1 plus 1 now 2. It is going. Now 2 is lesser than or equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. Print I. 2 came. Now I value is a 2. Again I equal to I plus 1. I value is a 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 is lesser. So till 10. Why it is coming till 10? Because I, okay, greater than or equal 10. Till 10 comes, you will get the output. In case in this place, okay, instead of 1, I plus 5 if you given, okay, the output will be 1 6 after over. Only these two output you may get. Okay, now see here, next program, another program we may see. Kindly see this properly. If you understand this program, almost everything will be over. I equal to 10. Now I value is a 10. This is the initial value. Looping condition. Okay, this is a condition. I value is what? 10. 10 is less than 20. Yes, of course, true. 10 is lesser than 20. So print I. I value is what? 10. But here 10 into 10, 100. And I plus equal to 1 means I plus 1. I value is what? 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now this 11 will go where? Here. 11 is lesser than 20. Yes, of course, true. Now 11 into 11. I value is 11 now. So 11 into 11, 121. Now again 11 plus 1, 12. Here we given condition. Now again it will go. Yes, 12 is of course lesser than 20 till 19. 19 into 19 equal to 361. It is rotating looping continuously. Okay, so this is a while loop. I think this is enough, okay, for the while loop. No need to go more. Okay, no need to go more. Now we can go to the infinity loop. Okay, we can go to infinity loop. Now here What is meant by infinity loop? Infinity loop means unlimited, we may say, or endless here. Endless loop. It will never end. In while looping, if condition become false, it will stop. Correct? If condition become false, it will stop. But in infinity loop, it will run continuously. It will run without stopping, without any stoppage. Sir, how it is possible? You may get now how it is possible. Now see here. My dear students, it is in a downside. Okay, they are in a downside. Now see here. I equal to 10. I value is a 10 initial value, while I greater than or equal to 10. Yes, 10 is greater than 10. Condition is true. Now print I. I value is what in first output? 10. Correct? Now I plus equal to 1. So I value is 10. 10 plus 1 11. Now 11 looping going. Okay, 11 greater than or equal to 10, 1. Yes, of course. Print 11. Now again 12. Means it will go continuously. You can able to see the one variation. Okay, 84, 85, 86. Only one adding. In this place, if you change any value, it will change. Okay, this is called infinity loop. Okay, there will be no any end. Okay, at last. Okay, last is a loop else. Okay, so for loop or while loop can have optional else block as well. The else part is executed if loop terminate normal. Means, okay, if condition is false, this else block will run. Now here, if in this place itself condition is true, so it is running, we are getting output. In this place, if condition is false, we will not get any output. Correct? If we given I, okay, lesser than 1, now I value is a 10. 10, is it lesser than 1? No. So condition become false, so we will not get any output. We will not get any output here. But in else statement, okay, in a else loop, if condition is false, we will get the output. Okay, we will get output. Now see here. Here, int means what? Integer function. They are getting the integer value. Okay, enter the lower limit, enter the upper limit. So whatever value you are typing, it will store in a first input, second value it will store in a b. E1 equal to 0, odd equal to 1. Means E1 is a variable name and 0 is a value. Odd is a variable name and 0 is a value. Now we can able to see for I in range a comma b plus 1. Okay, means this is a just a simple condition they given. If in this place, if condition become false, in this place, if any condition become false, this loop we cannot able to execute. See, the else part will be execute when loop terminates successfully. Means terminate means what? Stops. If it fails successfully, it will run. Okay, means if I divisible by 2, okay, double equal to 0, means we are not getting any remainder value. Okay, we are not getting any remainder value. Now divided by 2, 1, it is not double equal to 0, so wrong. Okay, so this only, so your program is over. Okay, my dear student, just you see once this all things. Okay, now this chapter is over. Just understand the concept, no need to go more deep, because without practical it is difficult for you to get. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.